Hello everyone, it's your girl Sierra, aka Natural Nefertiti, coming to you with a hair tutorial. Protective style time. Okay, I'm a little excited. I'll calm down. So I've been seeing this style all over YouTube and Instagram, and I'm finally trying it. I'm going on vacation next week and I wanted to try a new style I've never done before. So I will be doing individual crochet faux locks. Yes, individual crochet faux locks. I will be using the Bobbi Boss Nu Locs in the color number 2. I also have one pack of color M1B27. Looks like this. I have a pack of the color M1B30. So, in all, I have 4 packs of number 2, 1 pack of 27, and 1 pack of 30, so that I can do like some highlights. This is a comparison of the 3 different colors. And the reason why I have so much hair is because I'm going to be doing these as 36 inches instead of 18 inches. So I'm going to be doubling each lock to make it really long, to touch my butt or past my butt, hopefully. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see how I'm going to do this style. Okay, so I already did one section. I divided my hair into 4 sections just to make it easier, and the first step is to braid my hair into individual braids. So I'm gonna do like little half moon parts like this, just because I think it'll look more natural than like boxes. And I already have leave-in conditioner in my hair, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of shea butter to each section to seal it, because I'm gonna have this in for at least a month and my hair is gonna be completely covered, so I want to make sure it's moisturized and sealed. And now I'm taking a little bit of Shine Jam, and I'm gonna use that on my roots to slick them down. Then I am going to braid my hair normally. And after a while, I'm going to 2-strand twist the rest of it. So there you go. And I'm gonna do that throughout the whole section. Take some shea butter. Then I take some Shine Jam. Okay, I'll be back when it's all done. So, I'm all done installing these braids. This took freaking 2 hours. So, I already know this style is about to take so long. But yeah, yeah, let's get started. Hello everyone, it's me. It's the next day and I am so tired. If you have long hair, this style is going to be extremely time consuming. If you have short hair, shout out to you, because this will take you no time, but long hair, it's taking me forever. But I wanted to show you how I do these 2 ones up front, and then I'll be back later to show you how to extend them. So this is what your lock looks like, and it has a little hole up top for you to crochet. So you're gonna put your finger through that hole, like so, and then you're gonna go through the base of your braid. Like so. And you're gonna hook your crochet lock onto the crochet hook, close the latch, and pull it through. You're gonna keep the lock on there. And then you're gonna grab your hair and the other side of the lock, put it in the hook, close the latch, and then bring that through. And then you pull both out. So now your hair and the crochet hair through that little loop, and then all you have to do is just pull the lock tight. And that's what it will look like at the root. So now the crochet, it unravels and then it can be twisted to make it tighter. So what you're gonna do is unravel it, and then you're gonna twist it around your braid. So unravel a little bit, twist it around. Unravel, twist it around. And so I've been getting the best results when I actually unravel it a little bit, twist it around, and just keep on doing that. So the reason why this is so time consuming is because my hair is like, in some spots, just as long or almost as long as the lock. So I have to wrap all the way down. I would say if your hair is past your shoulders, stretch. I don't even know if this style is worth it, but we'll see at the end. So again, I'm unraveling, then I wrap it around. Still a little bit more piece. So once you get to the end of your hair, it gets a little bit harder because you like really don't have anything to grip onto, but just try your best to wrap it all in there. And then what I do sometimes is I'll like push all the hair up and then I'll pull it down. So yeah, that's what it looks like. You can see a little bit of my hair peeking through, so just like push it up, pull it down. But yeah. That's how it looks. So we're gonna do one more. So again, you take your lock and you open up the little loop up at the top, and then you put it around your fingers like that. Then you're gonna go through the base of your braid, hook the lock on, close the latch, and pull it through. Like I said, keep the lock on the crochet hook, and then hook your hair and the lock again and pull it through. Pull it through, and then just tighten the lock. So again, the the locks unravel because they're like kind of like in a little spiral. So you can unspiral it and then use that to wrap around your hair. And so whatever way it unspirals, you wrap it in the opposite direction so that it'll coil back up into its natural coil. Alright. Unwrap. Wrap it. Unwrap. Wrap it. So like this one wraps counterclockwise. So I'm like unraveling it and then I wrap it counterclockwise. Unwrap it, wrap it counterclockwise. Unwrap it, wrap it counterclockwise. And then once you're done, this is what the root looks like. So it kind of almost looks like invisible, like an invisible knot. And then you can move it any direction you want. It's not too tight. That's because I didn't braid my braids super tight, like at the root, so that there's room for the locks to fit under it. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up some more and I'll be back. Oh my god, I'm finally done. It is currently 3:07 a.m. I probably spent like 4 hours today on my hair, plus like 6 hours yesterday, so that's like 10 hours. Yeah, I'm just now gonna show you how I take these and turn them into these. So first you just, the ends, you're gonna break it apart into 2 pieces. So now we have 2 little pieces. Now you're gonna take a crochet lock and you're gonna open it up and stick your finger through the little hole. And you're gonna wrap that around one of the pieces. You're gonna pull that through that loop. So now the extended lock is connected to the one in your head. And then you're just gonna tie a knot. So you tie one knot, then tie another knot in the opposite direction, and then one more knot and go in the opposite direction. So that's 3 knots. And then you'll have these little pieces like this, and what you're gonna do is wrap one going up the lock, and then you wrap the other one going down the lock. So I'm gonna take this one and I'm going to wrap it down the lock. See? And now you have this one and it's gonna go up the lock. So same exact thing, just wrap it up. And now you can't see anything. And I hit a little palm roll and all done. And the great thing about these locks is that they already have like natural like lumps and bumps. So this is where I added it. But then there's like a lump here, there's a lump here. So you can't, it doesn't look unnatural. And then that's how you make it super long. So let me show you again. Last one. So you're going to divide the bottom into 2 pieces, like so. You're gonna take your new lock, open it up at the top, put your finger through that hole. Excuse me. And then you're gonna pull one end of that through the hole so that it'll look like this. Then you're gonna start tying your knots. Tie one knot to secure them, and then I flip it over to the other side and I tie a knot. Then I flip it over again and I tie a knot. For me, I was finding that it was slipping when I only did 2 knots, so that's why I do 3. And then you have these 2 little strands, and you're gonna wrap one going down and the other going up. So let's wrap this one down. And then we're gonna wrap this one up. And then hit it with a little palm roll. So, yep, there it is. So my whole entire head is done. This took forever. So happy to be done. But I ended up using every single strand of all 6 packs. I ended up making it a little bit fuller than I wanted to, but I think it still looks good. So yeah, I use 6 complete packs. Each pack had about 21 locks in it, so that is 63 locks. But yeah, stay tuned for a video showing you exactly how long it is next up. Hi guys, just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my Instagram for some pictures of my locks coming soon. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.